Hello fellow photog, any tips on improving the bite lip look? Yes, as a boudoir photographer, I get that a lot where they want that seductive biting the lip look, and some people have it naturally and some don't, and that's okay, and you just kind of need a little bit of guidance. In this comment, it'll lead you to a video that I showed you how to do the softened look, the relaxing, seductive, sexy face, but I'm gonna show you how to do that bite lip look. So you can tell that if you were to just bite it and just hold it, sometimes it can look a little funny, right? You're kind of just awkwardly like, it just doesn't go. So with photography, if you do have your camera set to like a slightly higher shutter speed, because movement makes the best natural flow. So what you're gonna wanna do is you take your camera and you're gonna get several different pictures. You're just gonna be going click, click, click as the movement is happening. So you're actually going to start slow, have them try that at first. If not, I can show you some other tricks. But what you're gonna do is you're just gonna go in a slow movement and slide it all the way across. So you'll see the movement here, like, right, as it's a movement. So you're gonna be going click, click, click with that, with your camera. So you're gonna go even slower. First, you want to make eye connection with the camera, the lens, whatever, because if you're looking down or away, or you're just kind of like zoned out trying to focus on this, your face is gonna look off. So focus with those eyes right on the camera and really go slowly like this, like, and it catches on that little part of the lip right at the end, and that's the shot that you get. And sometimes it might be different depending on which girl is trying to do which side or whatever like that. And again, for some women, that can feel a little awkward, just kind of trying to do it and video it at the same time, which is fine. There is another trick that you can do. Number one is prep those lips before your session or before your selfie or whatever you have. So if you have generally dry lips, especially this time of year, make sure you use some type of exfoliant to get off those skin dead cells and make it nice and smooth, and put a lip balm on there. And a nice like shea butter or anything the night before or the day of or right before you do this, just to have it that slidingness is a lot easier. And then two, you're going to wet your lip with your tongue. Just lick it. That's it, because it's gonna give that little bit of help to push it along, okay? And then three, what you're gonna do is, it looks better sometimes with a natural smile to it because you see more teeth. So there's a difference of like, your teeth look like bucked almost, even though they're really, it's sexy. A smile shows a little bit more teeth. So with this, you look off to the side, then look at the camera. And I know it's a lot of steps at once. Practice makes perfect, and sometimes you need a few different shots to do that. But you're gonna lick your lips, right? And then you're gonna look off to the side, and you're gonna bite that lip and bring it back to the camera. So see how when I caught it right at that moment, you saw more teeth, you saw more of a genuine smile, and then you see more connection with the camera. So try that, see if that works. Let me know what else you want to know, and I wish you the best of luck.